Ayun, good evening. Ito kayong Joseph then from the DX1CW. Delta Yankee Charlie Romeo in uniform. Just supporting the DX1CW Evening Net 73 and mabuhay. By the way, naka-record po tayo. Delta Yankee Charlie Romeo uniform DY8CRU.
November 6, November Papa Charlie, KN6 NPC. Field station, please stand by. Charlie Romeo uniform. Tama po ba dito yung call sign?
KSL, good evening. Net control, good evening all around. Delta Yankee Charlie Romeo uniform DY8CRU 4DX4NC 73 and babuhay.
Okay, thank you po Tito. Thank you po Tito for checking in. It's traffic 73 and God bless po.
Delta Yankee 8 Charlie Romeo uniform DY8CRU check in, check out.
The station of Delta Yankee 8 CRU City Boy ng Zamboanga. Thank you for joining and supporting the X1 Pierronet. Hope to catch you again on our next edition of the X1 Pierronet Color Stations now properly lag and clear. Rainet, please make your call. Delta X86 radar number.
Delta Yankee 8 Charlie Romeo uniform DY8CRU check in, check out for the rain net.
Acknowledge the station of Delta Yankee Charlie Romeo uniform checking, check out. Thank you very much for joining for the rain net here in Negros. The babies and the family circle. Your station is properly logged. Keeping that, now this is Monterey. Whiskey, Choice Whiskey, you are active.
Delta Yankee 8 Charlie Romeo uniform DY8CRU check in, check out. Tito James. Delta Yankee Charlie Romeo uniform check in, check out. Tito James.
Check out Delta Yankee 8 Charlie Romeo uniform with the name of Sir P-Boy. Check it, check out to dropping by and support the DX8 Core Horsal Keeping Net. And your station is now out and clear 70 and mabuhay.
DV3 KLT DY8CRU check in, check out. Tita Karen check in, check out for DX3 Lima DY8CRU. Delta Yankee Charlie Romeo uniform Tita Karen DY8CRU.
May turbulence kanina kasi nagkaroon na rin sila. Hindi na makapasok ang mga. Okay, receive the log and mabuhay.
Delta Yankee 8 Charlie Romeo uniform DY8CRU for DX3 ARS.
Nakasabi po ata ako dito.
Delta Yankee 8 Charlie Romeo uniform.
Delta Yankee Charlie Romeo uniform. Good evening po, Tito People. To the left.
Ayun, good evening net control. Delta Yankee Charlie Romeo uniform just supporting the net 73 and mabuhay.
Malaysia Station, Delta Yankee 8, Charlie Romeo Uniform, dito P-Boy, transmitting from Polog City, from the 6-8 Zulu Mike Charlie. Thank you for checking in. Your station is now locked and cleared. 73.
From station from District 89 in the Philippines. Station from District 89 in the Philippines. Takes 1cc members. Honorary members and YL station can check in anytime in any segment. This Forgo Front Foxtrot Sierra Lima on standby.
Delta Yankee 8 Charlie Romeo Uniform DY8 CRU, check in, check out.
Charlie Romeo Uniform. Joseph, magandang gabi. Welcome to the X1CC Evening Net.
Ayan, good evening Net Control, good evening all around. Delta Yankee 8 Charlie Romeo Uniform, just supporting the DX1CC Evening Net. 73 and mabuhay. And for the record, naka-record ako ngayon. 73.
Likewise, Sir Kati Mabueta, magandang gabi dyan, Joseph ha. Delta Yankee 8 Charlie Romeo Uniform. Si Joseph from DX8 Zulu Mike Charlie, Pantipolog City. Salamat sa pag-check-in, supporting our net. Your station is now public and clear, 73, and mabuhay.